Yo, what's up YouTube? Back again with another boat update. I got the boat masked off, the deck covered, getting ready to lay some primer down. 3 cans of the Rust-Oleum 2x Ultra Cover primer that I'm gonna be laying down first before the black. So let's go ahead and get that done and I'll get right back with you guys. Alrighty, primer's on. It's nice and dry. Yesterday I stopped by Home Depot, picked up a brush and some rollers and some paint thinner. Getting ready to lay this paint. I wiped it down with a tack cloth, got all the dust off. I'm gonna be using the rolling and tipping method. Basically what I'll do is I'll roll through with the paint. I have here a 1/4 inch nap. I'm gonna be rolling the paint on and then I'll follow it through with the brush. And yeah, I'll throw you guys on the time lapse and we'll get this done. Alrighty, we got the first coat on there, rolled and tipped. We gotta wait. On the back of the can it says 16 hours for it fully to dry for the second coat. We gotta wait until tomorrow to hit the second coat, but this is where we're at right now. It's looking real good. So yeah, that's where we're at. I'll get to you guys with the camera tomorrow so we could lay the second coat and then we'll be done. All right, we got the second coat slapped on. It's looking really, really good. Getting ready to throw the seats on, throw the trolling motor on, and then get it back on the trailer. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw the outboard back onto the boat and we should be able to take her out, fam. That's what I'm talking about. Right now, I'm getting ready to throw the stickers on. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alrighty, we got the sticker slapped on. Got the boat thrown back on the trailer. I also put the outboard back on, got the gas tank, battery in here. Seats are back on. We're pretty much ready to rock and roll. All I got left is to put some new tires, paint those black. I'm not sure what body of water I should hit for the first time. I really wanted to hit a small lake, something that I could check for leaks because I still haven't checked the boat for leaks at all. So that's the next step, is just getting her on the water. And that's pretty much it. It's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for watching, fam. Peace.